What's up, everybody? Brandon with Brent's Lawn Care. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Today's an interesting one. My customer's lawn has been totally eaten by grubs. So today's project is to power rake all the dead grass, get it up, remove it, and then put some dialox down to kill the grubs, and then we're going to reseed. Got what we have here. Grubs. Look at, they've eaten all the lawn. There's another one. You can literally just take the grass and peel it all up. Look at all the grubs. There's just patches everywhere of dead grass. Look at all the grubs. These things are vicious. So this grub's infested throughout this whole lawn here. Look at the damage. We're gonna tear all this up. We're gonna kill the grubs and start over. All this here is grub damage too. I could probably peel this up. Yes, I can. Look, big sections of grass. Look, just peels right up. It's dead. Look, another grub. It's a very bad case. So guys, this is my detachment / power rake. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this down, and I'm going to run over the lawn, and I'm going to tear up all this dead stuff first, which actually shouldn't be too hard, because I can literally take it in big sections and just do that. Look at more grubs. So let's get to tearing it up. Dead grass, lots of it, from the front yard alone. This is just the front yard. So it's all dethatched and stripped. Tomorrow I'm going to aerate it and seed it. We got a pretty impressive pile going on over here in the side yard. Still not even done yet, but I'm going to get rid of this pile and keep raking it until all the grass is gone. Okay, all stripped, ready for dialox.